Class 6, General Science, Chapter Electricity. Today we'll cover key concepts, short answers, and long answers all in one go. Key concepts. 1. What is electricity? Electricity is the flow of electric charges, electrons. It is used to power various devices like lights, fans, and appliances. 2. Electric circuit. Electric circuit, a closed and continuous path for electric current to flow. Essential components of a circuit. Source of electricity, example, battery or cell. Connecting wires to transfer electricity. Electrical devices like bulbs or fans. Switch to control the flow of electricity. 3. Electric cell and battery. Electric cell, a small device that provides electricity. It has two terminals. Positive terminal, plus. Negative terminal, dash. Battery, a combination of two or more cells connected together. 4. Components of an electric circuit. Bulb, lights up when electricity flows through it. Switch, opens or closes the circuit to control the current flow. When the switch is on, the circuit is complete, closed, and the bulb glows. When the switch is off, the circuit is incomplete, open, and the bulb does not glow. 5. Conductors and insulators. Conductors, materials that allow electricity to pass through them. Examples, metals like copper, iron, and aluminium. Insulators, materials that do not allow electricity to flow. Examples, plastic, rubber, wood. 6. How a bulb glows? The thin wire inside the bulb is called the filament. When electricity passes through the filament, it heats up and produces light. 7. Types of circuits. Closed circuit, a complete loop for electricity to flow. The bulb lights up. Open circuit, a broken or incomplete loop, electricity cannot flow. The bulb does not light up. 8. Electric current. Electric current, the flow of electric charges through a conductor. It is what powers devices in a circuit. One. Very short answer questions. 1. What is an electric circuit? Answer. An electric circuit is a closed loop or pathway that allows electric current to flow through it. 2. Name two materials that are good conductors of electricity. Answer. Copper and aluminium. 3. What are insulators? Give an example. Answer. Insulators are materials that do not allow electricity to pass through them. Example, rubber. 4. What is a filament in a bulb? Answer. The filament is the thin wire inside the bulb that glows when electricity passes through it. 5. What are the two terminals of an electric cell? Answer. Positive terminal, plus, and negative terminal, minus. 2. Short answer questions. 6. What happens to a bulb in an open circuit? Why? Answer. In an open circuit, the bulb does not glow because the electric current cannot flow through the circuit. 7. What is the function of a switch in an electric circuit? Answer. A switch is used to open or close a circuit. It controls the flow of electric current. 8. Differentiate between conductors and insulators. Answer. Conductors, materials that allow electricity to pass through them. Example, metals like copper. Insulators, materials that do not allow electricity to pass through them. Example, wood, plastic. 9. Why should the terminals of a cell not be connected directly with a wire? Answer. If the terminals of a cell are directly connected, it can cause a short circuit, which may drain the cell quickly or cause overheating. 10. Write any two uses of electricity. Answer. 1. To power household appliances like fans, lights, and TVs. 2. To run machines in industries. 3. Long answer questions. 11. Explain how a bulb lights up in a circuit. Answer. A bulb lights up when electric current flows through it. The current passes through the filament inside the bulb. The filament heats up and glows, producing light. This happens only when the circuit is complete and there is no break in the connection. 12. What are the essential components of an electric circuit? Explain each briefly. Answer. The essential components of an electric circuit are: electric cell provides the source of electricity. 2. Connecting wires carry the electric current. 3. Bulb lights up when electricity flows through the circuit. 4. Switch controls the flow of current by opening or closing the circuit. 13. Describe an activity to test whether a material is a conductor or insulator. Answer. 1. Create a simple circuit using a cell, wires, and a bulb. 2. Place the material to be tested between the two ends of the wire. 3. Observe if the bulb lights up, the material is a conductor. If the bulb does not light up, the material is an insulator. 4. Diagram-based question. 14. Draw and label a simple electric circuit. Answer. The diagram should include a cell, battery, wires, a switch, a bulb.